and then 11.
I know. Mommy's being mean. Oh.
Hey guys, it's Danielle, and I am going to do a first impression video with you guys. It's like an unboxing, but it's really my first impression of this baby item. So I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna talk about our first impressions, and then after I use it for a little while, I'll come back and do a full review on it. But before we do that, let's get the technicalities out of the way. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy. And on this channel, we do baby reviews and talk about whatever pops into my head.
And wear shirts that have baby stains and remnants of yard work when they record videos.
So go check out some more videos and then hit the subscribe button and join my little family that I love so much. And for the rest of you guys, you know that you are the MVPs and I love you. Thanks so much for hanging in there with me, guys. So if you guys watched my 10 must-have baby items video, you know that I love my Duna stroller slash car seat. Love it, love it, love it. And I hope to be able to do a full review over that stroller car seat very, very soon. I haven't done one yet, tried to do one, and it was just a disaster. So hopefully I can do one soon. But little 11, he's not too big for it because it's a car seat and it goes up to 35 pounds. But the stroller part he doesn't like anymore because it's facing me and he has to lay back in it because it is a car seat. So he's outgrown that part of it, and when he's awake he wants to be sitting up and looking at the world and facing forward. So I had to figure out another stroller option for him, and this stroller was actually on my wish list. When I was pregnant, I was trying to decide if I was gonna get this stroller and a car seat or if I was gonna get the Duna, and I opted for the Duna, which so glad I did. I love my Duna, love it, love it, love it, love it. But because he is now wanting to sit up and face forward and all of that fun stuff, I decided I would go ahead and get the other stroller that was on my wish list. All right, y'all, let's take it out. I've already opened it up, so. It's heavy. I hope that this isn't an indication of how heavy it's gonna be. Turning it around. Can I get it out? Let's see. I was gonna order it on Amazon, of course, but then my wiki buy, if you guys do not have wiki buy, you should download it. I will leave a link for it in the description box, but it told me that it was cheaper on eBay. So I went on eBay and then I got 2% cash back with my Ebates. So you guys check those things out. I'll leave the link. This is what I got. This is it. So this is a Pockit Stroller, GB Pockit Stroller, and it folds into this size. So I am over bulky strollers, which is why I bought the Duna. I'm all about compact, minimalist, make my life easy, and this bad boy is supposed to do that. I actually saw one of these in person when I thought having babies was long gone in my life. And I was like, man, that is a cool stroller. I wish they had that when I had babies. And so the universe answered my wish, and here it is in my home. All right, so I'm gonna open it up and we are just gonna see what we think. You gonna help me open it? Ooh, so far I am impressed with how freaking compact this thing gosh, you don't have to put it together. Praise the Lord for that blessing, that there is no putting it together. It already comes put together. You have a little booklet here. So that's just a little information booklet. 11 is doing a full inspection on it. But here it is, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look how, I mean, oh my God, and it's light. I was worried it was heavy because the box was so heavy, but I'm like, whoop, 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 whoop. That tells you how light it is, because I'm not. You doing it? You say whoop, 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 whoop. All right, y'all, I have no idea how to use this, so I'm gonna adjust my camera and try to pop it open with you guys. This is gonna fit so good in my van. I don't have a trunk, zero trunk. So this thing could just slide under a seat. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, let's change your angle. All right, y'all, so I'm assuming this is without me reading any instructions, that we press these buttons. This might be a fail. Let's see. Whoa, right here is a little clip. So you unclip that. And then it folds open like so. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully I don't break the thing. All right, let me get the instructions. I'm trying to be like my husband and not read the instructions. I know better, right? We know better. Oh, I was almost there. Okay, so we unclipped that, and then you're supposed to press these buttons. I don't know what's happening right now, y'all. Ah, there we go. Almost broke my finger off, but hey. Clip. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. Okay. So, then you just pull these up in the back. Like so. And there it is. Can y'all see? And then it has the little umbrella for shade. Little clips here. So I bought like a little stroller from Target, like a little cheap stroller, and I didn't like the fact that it couldn't lay back, so if he fell asleep. And I'm looking at this, and y'all, I don't think this one folds back either. So that makes me sad. Okay, I'm gonna try to fold it up, y'all. I just briefly looked at these instructions. So I'm gonna try to page 6. All right, so it says you start here. Okay, so right here is like a little white, and you're supposed to push that and then click that into place. And then there's one on the other side. And you push that until you hear a little click. Then fold this back. Push this down. That's not working. What is happening right now? Maybe I should lock the wheels. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Yay! Just push that down in there. And then, I guess, is so complicated. Handy dandy instructions. What is it saying? Let me show y'all. These are the instructions, y'all. I don't know what it's saying. I'm right here. I'm right here. And I'm right here. I did 5. Okay, what is 6? What does 6 want me to do? It looks like it wants me to fold. Like, shouldn't there be a button or something to like release it? I feel like, yeah, I don't know. This is definitely not like, I don't know what it wants me to do. Let's see. All right, y'all. Hold 1 second. Y'all brought in some reinforcements because obviously I am instruction illiterate. And he can't figure it out either.
I don't read instructions.
So first impression is it's not easy to figure it out.
You see?
Push down.
So you gotta lock these wheels into place.
I did.
They weren't locked.
I thought I locked them.
And then once you lock it, it goes straight down.
All right, y'all. Let me show y'all this.
So cute.
All right, y'all. Let me show y'all if I could get it. So we have the back wheels have to be locked in place, and then you push that, and then you like, you don't do anything because it's still not working. Were you still pushing these white buttons in? Huh? Those are locked in.
Locked in, so you should just be able to.
Should just be able to fold.
Maybe. Once you lock this in place.
You need to look at the instructions again.
Yes.
I see it.
Straight down.
Oh, see what you do? What'd you do?
He doesn't know.
Right.
He doesn't know. Go straight back up. Go straight back up.
Slow motion, everybody.
Now, bring it back and down. Push the buttons.
Wait, let's make sure, okay, that's locked.
Just
Take that stroller.
But I'm trying to.
Oh, there you go.
I said push the buttons.
So ultimately, you just gotta put a little pressure and then push the buttons all the way in.
Okay, let me try.
All the way. You gotta put a little force into it.
Push these buttons.
Hard. Hard.
It might be easier if you lock the front wheels when you do it.
I tried.
Have it come back towards you a little bit.
Lock the front wheels.
Alright, straighten it out.
That's be standing up, man.
You just have to see. I think I see. Okay. What I just did, because that was much easier, is from this section, then push down and keep going.
Yep.
Don't even stop. Just keep going. And then,
Keep going until you put it all back in the box and get your money back.
and then close it here. See, close it here, y'all. And then put your little latch back on.
Easier said than done.
I'll leave you to them.
Y'all, the other thing I noticed, these wheels have to be like perfectly turned to get it to fold for it to latch on. Lord, if this is how it's gonna be, I don't know what kind of review I'm gonna do on this stroller. All right, so let's try this again. Here's the latch. You want to unlatch that first. Open it up like so. Unclick the wheels. Then pull it out. And there it is. Let's try folding it. We're going to take these, lock those into place. And then with one swoop motion, we can't stop, y'all. You're going to push this button. And there it goes. And then you turn. And then you clip. Woo! Alright. My first impression is I hope this gets easier. Because right now, fold it and unfold this thing is a beast. But I hope that it's just tight because it's brand new and that it's gonna loosen up and that it's gonna, you know, as I do it more, that it's gonna be like, oh, it's just this, I was clicking here wrong, or I wasn't clicking quite right, or whatever. I hope that that becomes the case. Because first impression, like, who's about to do all that, y'all? It's supposed to make my life easy, but it's cute and it's compact and it's light. So, yay for all of those things. Boo on the easiness right now. But anyway, so that is our little unconventional first impression of the GB Pockit Stroller. If you guys have any questions about this stroller, feel free to comment below. If you have this stroller and you saw where we were like doing something wrong and you're like, y'all know, then please let me know that in the comments below on what we were doing wrong. If you guys have, I want to see anything in particular on this stroller, let me know so I'll know to be looking out for those things. But other than that, you guys, thank you once again for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. What do you have to lose, you guys? What do you have to lose? Nothing to lose and a lot of family to gain. So hit the subscribe button, join my little family, and I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.